You own a business looking to create awesome website for it. Then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduced you Gbope Cash TV. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Gbope Cash are expert in services like graphic designing. They will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization.
Good afternoon, and you are once welcome again. I made a video about this platform telling you how good this platform is. This platform pays you by staking. I make a video about it, a previous video about it. You can check in the description, and the first link in this video, you see that video where I was talking about this platform. This is a USDT platform that you stake and you earn a commission from it. And the commission base is very good, because how can you stake an amount of $10 and you earn $1.50 per day? It's very good. It means if you invest like $50, you are going to earn huge, which is going to be 4.50 cents. So 4.50 cents a day, calculated before the man get to an end. It's not a small money, it's huge, especially when you are in these privileged countries like Ghana. Now, I just invested $10 when I made this video, and here it is that I have withdrawn my $10 back while my investment is still ongoing to the 30th days, which is 1 month, because I did not reach anywhere and I wanted to withdraw and make a profile to you. Now, when withdrawing, there are no charges. I withdraw $10 and that was what it is here. It went successfully. So let me go back to my account. You still see that the investment is still ongoing. So please, if you know you are still finding any challenges in creating this account or whatever it is, please don't hesitate, because it is very legit. And this platform, what uniquely make me happy about it is that it is not a platform from anywhere. This is a staking USDT platform by Telegram. And you know, Telegram is a social media platform that can never end or goes down any means. So it means they have something good for us, which is going to last us for our lifetime. So I'm getting back to my account so that you see this that I'm talking of. So this is it. You see my investment money. I invested $10.13, and this was the money I made. I made $10.57, and I draw $10. So I draw $10 and invest 57 cents here, so which is also going to be generating me funds here, while this one is also generating funds here. So you see down here, this is how it is. So if this is your first time, this is how you are going to stake. Recharge into your account. So to recharge, you come here, type on this recharge account. Now I'll advise you for you to use the BEP20 USDT. Don't use any of them. You can use that one. You can use any one of your choice, but I will advise you to use, because that one you pay less fees. So you just copy it, the address, and send it to your crypto wallet, either Binance or your Bybit, and just deposit. So when you deposit into it, automatically within some few minutes it will appear here. So when it appears, you go to stake. So you go to what? Stake. Yeah. So you come down here and change this amount to your $10, and come down here, you change it to 30, and you get this plus 45.00 USDT. It means at the end of your 30 days, they are going to add your staking amount, which is $10, to this, which is going to make it 55 USDT as accurate, which is what you are going to earn at the end of it. So it's huge. And if you have more than $10, you can invest it. And I'm really saying it because I'm excited I received my funds, because what I've invested, I've collected it back, and the fund is still ready for me to receive more. It means this is very legit. Please don't waste your time in other investment platforms that are not going to get you anything. Just carry your $10, which you don't even think about it, put it within 1 month time, it will generate to $55. You carry it and you can use it to get something. Especially in Ghana here, that $55 is ranking like somewhere 600 to 700 Ghana cedis. So carry 150 within a month, you get like 600. It's very huge. That is very good. I don't know about other countries, but this is very good. So please, my brothers in Ghana and at anywhere, please, I'm just begging you, get straight to this platform and start to end it. So you don't have to create account. Check in the description, there is a link there. It will take you directly to Telegram, and they will tell you what to do. So this is where it is going to send you. So let me go back. So it will bring you to a space like this. They said start the pledge program, join us and become a millionaire. This is a unique opportunity, and I encourage every Kraken's chicken holder to make the most of it. So click start now. So first they'll tell you to click start. When you click, you see it. When it comes, this is how it will be. So the link will be kept here. This link will be kept there. So when you send it, they said, what can this bot do? Hello, this is the platform name. Stick 100% real crypto and commission. Join us and become a millionaire. This is what. So when you press it, they will tell you. You see, it was on the 8th of April I started this, and I did not recharge that day. The following day was what I recharged. So today's date is like 15 or something like that. So when you press start, it will come here and they'll bring you a different page like this. So you just type on this start now, and that's where you always go to enter into your account. When you just go there, they'll set there's a get in. So when you get in, it will just get you to your account straight and you start to earn. Please, this will be helpful to everyone. Thank you for always being in my channel, to watch my videos, to be a support to this channel, and you highly be welcome at any time that you come. This platform will teach you how to make money online, your online text, anything about your online or anything about the internet. Even aside that, your business, your entrepreneurship ideas are all given here. So a time to come, you get to know much about this and more than this, especially into this crypto. We are for you. Thank you for being our family, and please subscribe to this channel and turn the notification post and join the family. Anytime that a video is being uploaded, you'll be the first person to be notified. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and a comment. Goodbye.